Hello, I'm going to be showing you multiple ways on how you can fix the sold out button on your Shopify. Now I'm going to show you what I mean exactly. Okay, as you can see, this sold out button is very annoying, and I understand how annoying this is. So that's why I'm making this tutorial, and I will show you step by step on how you can fix this. Okay, multiple ways on how you can fix this. Now the first method is you want to click on products. Okay, just go to your Shopify dashboard, click on products, and then you want to click here, just select all the products. Okay, after you select all the products, click on bulk edit. Now it's going to take you to this page. You want to click on here, okay, in the top right, comments. Okay, here, click on it. Now after that, you want to scroll down a little bit and search for continue selling going out of stock. Click on it, check it. Okay, make sure you check it. Okay, after that, you want to check the products you have a problem with. Now this for example, these three products that I have here in the top, they are out of stock, as you can see. Okay, this ring is out of stock. It says here sold out. Now here is the ring, and I just need to check this one that says continue selling when out of stock. I just need to check the box, and I'm going to click what? I'm going to click on save in the top right. After that, I'm going to reload this or refresh this, and as you can see, now I am able to purchase the product. Now another way is you want to go to the product, click on products, then click on the product page, and you want to scroll down, and here where it says on hand quantity, you want to change it to 10, for example, then click on save. Okay, so if you have a product with different variations, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Click on the product, and after that you want to click on each variant and click on this on the each variant, and then what you need to do, you want to scroll down and then change quantity. Here it says on hand, you want to change it to whatever, 20 for example. Click on save, and that's it. Now another way, if this is just about quantity, I know this is not always going to be a quick fix for you. That's why I come up with multiple solutions for everyone. So I hope this tutorial will help as many people as possible. Now, I would appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial, by the way. Now, what you need to do is you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, okay? After that, you want to click on shipping and delivery. And after that, here, you will be able to see create custom profile. Okay, click on it, and here you want to name this whatever you want, in new for example, whatever. And here where it says products, click on add products, and now you want to add all the products you have a problem with. Okay, all the products you have issues with that comes as out of stock. Click on done, and then scroll down and make sure you add the shipping zone. Click on add shipping zone, and then select the international countries if you have a problem only with international countries or local country. Now I'm going to select as many countries as possible, Europe, and also I'm going to select my own country, United States, and then click on done. Make sure you name the zone. Customers will not see this, so you can just name the zone as whatever you want, new zone or whatever. Click on done, and then you want to click on add rate. Okay, so when you click on add rate here, the custom rate name, it should be standard, and here the price, you can add the price of the shipping. I always use free shipping, so I'm going to click on done and then click on save. Now what I want you to do is I want you to check if the problem is solved or not. Go to the products and see if the problem is solved or not. Okay, which I hope this tutorial helps you. Now I'm going to show you another way. So if this doesn't work, then what you need to do, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, and then after that you want to click on here locations, and after that you want to click on add location. Now you just need to add the location where you have the stock. Okay, if you are using, for example, let's say you are using ITODS, you will be able to find it here. as you can see, and you can use it to fulfill online orders. Now, as you can see, Importify, I'm downloading the Importify, but Importify only ships to United States. So for international shipping, you will see out of stock button. Okay, you will not be able to complete the checkout, but from people from United States, they will be able to do that. Okay, using these third-party shipping providers. Now, in the top here, this is the location. Okay, now if you click on the location, make sure you click on this one that says fulfill online orders using this location. Use inventory at this location to fulfill online orders. If it's Gary, that means you only have the default location, so you just need to click on add new location and make sure you check this button that says that. Okay, make sure you enable it. Okay, so another way is if you have a problem with only a specific variant on your Shopify store, like only one variant, you have this problem which is out of stock, but other variants or colors are still in stock. Just click on the product and just click on products and then click on the product that you have a problem with. Find the variant which you have a problem with, for example, weight variant, click on it and then delete it. Okay, so after you delete it, what you need to do is click on delete variant. After you delete it, you want to go and click on add variant and then add it again. Just add this specific variant you deleted or the color you deleted. For example, you deleted yellow colors. To enter yellow color, the sizes here, for example, and then you want to add the image here and the price, and also here the quantity. I'm going to add 10. Inventory tracked. Okay, and I'm going to click here on here, and then I want to click on save. Now see if this problem is solved or not. If not, what I want you to do is you want to enable international shipping on your Shopify store. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to enable international. So what you need to do, you want to click on markets and then you want to click on create market. Now here you want to name the market whatever you want. Customers will not see this. Okay, click on add condition and then you want to add all the countries you would like to ship to. Okay, then click done, and after that you want to use, for example, you can use the local currency or you can just use whatever you want. Okay, so after that you want to click on save. Okay, so that's all you need to do. After that you want to click on create. Yeah, we have added here the international shipping here. Now what you need to do is you want to click on manage shipping. It's going to take you to this page, as you can see. Now what you need to do is you want again to create custom profile. Now we have already we have already enabled international shipping. You just need to name this whatever you want. Click on add products. Again, add the products you have a problem with. Click done. And then here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to click on add shipping zone. And then add the markets again here. And then click on done. Name the zone, whatever. And here you want to add the rate. Again, standard. Okay, and then you want to click done, then click on save. Now check if the problem is solved or not. If it's not, then what you need to do, I will fix this for you. Just go to my Instagram account. This is my own Instagram. Just contact me. I will fix this for you. Okay, drop a like, this would be highly appreciated. See you in the next tutorial.